Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we talk about Herbal Charcoal Mask Cream, the best solution for deep cleansing and purifying your skin. We will show you how to use it and explain its benefits. We will also give you some effective ways to lighten skin. First, let's dive into the ingredients that make this cream mask so effective. Its main component is activated charcoal, which is known for its ability to remove impurities and toxins from the skin. We'll also talk about other herbal ingredients, such as lime, honey, bee pollen, palm fruit and olive oil, which work together to soothe and nourish your skin. Prepare the ingredients for a charcoal mask: 1/2-1 lime, then squeeze 300 to 600 milliliters of water, black charcoal a teaspoon, honey to taste. Mix all ingredients by shaking or stirring them evenly. Now, let's get into the application process. Before applying it to your face, test the mask by applying it to the skin of your hands. If there are no signs of allergy, continue applying it to your facial skin. Apply the mask all over the face except around the eyes and around the lips. Let stand for 7 to 10 minutes, until the texture of the mask is completely dry and your facial skin feels stiff. If the mask starts to feel uncomfortable or painful, rinse it off before the recommended time. Now let's get into the process of removing the mask. We show you how to remove the mask properly. Start peeling off the mask. If the mask is only applied to the T-zone, peel off the mask that is in the nose area and pull it towards the forehead. Clean your face with a skin-friendly face wash and rinse with cold water. After that, use a moisturizer that won't clog your pores and dry your face naturally. Apart from charcoal, you can also use other herbal ingredients that can be used as masks that have been passed down for generations and are believed to be efficacious for nourishing the skin. 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon bee pollen. Mix the two ingredients. Other effective ways to brighten skin apart from masks. You can also do this by: consume enough water and eat foods that contain vitamin C such as citrus fruits, strawberries, and kiwi. Eat green vegetables and several other foods that are good for the skin, such as 9 fruit and palm fruit, 1 tablespoon honey or olive oil. Consume these two ingredients before going to bed regularly. This recipe can also be used to blacken hair and maintain the reproductive system. Finally, we'll cover some common questions and concerns about using creamy charcoal masks, such as whether they're safe for all skin types and how often you should use them. We'll also provide some resources for those who want to learn more about the benefits of activated charcoal for the skin. Write in the comments column for those of you who need this info. Thank you for listening to our review of Herbal Charcoal Mask Cream and for some tips for brightening the skin. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in deciding whether this product is right for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare and whole body tips, and see you in the next video.